In this video, you will learn these 5 lies are destroying new traders. They say trading is simple, but most beginners start with lies that lead them straight to losses. Let's expose the top 5 lies new traders believe and the truth that could save your account. If you are new to this channel, click the like button on your notification, drop a comment below, share with friends and family, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's go to the number 1 lies. More trades equals more money. Most beginners, both social media believes that when you click more, you make more money. In every industry, it can work. But in trading, it is a lie number 1. More trades is not equal more money. In fact, the more you trade, the more money you lose. That is why professional traders like Paul Tudor Jones believe that less trade equals more money. And one of the reasons was that market always volatile in nature. Market is not always ready. Therefore, more trades is not more money. More trades equals more loss. Lie number 2. Signals will make me rich. Most of the traders online, all this on Twitter, on Instagram, on Telegram, they will tell you, buy my signal and you will make more money. It's a lie. You will not make more money. In fact, people that makes money in signal are the signals provider. That is why statistically speaking, 90% of people in signal group will quit trading less than 1 year. They might make money at the initial stage, but eventually they will quit. Why? Signals will make me rich. It will never make you rich. Lie number 3. One big win will fix it. One big win will not fix it. One of the lies that have been told in the financial market is one big win can change your life. One big win not change your life. One big win is not enough, because when you have one big win will not fix it. To be a profitable trader, you must be able to trade market consistently over a long period of time. Lie number 4. More indicators equals more accuracy. Nothing far from the truth. More indicators do not lead to more accuracy. If more indicators leads to more accuracy, 90% of traders will not be unprofitable. Do you think people that design the indicator, they don't like making 90% of the income in the market space? If more indicators leads to more success, 90% of traders will not be unprofitable trader. Lie number 5. They believed that we just flip this account once. When you go to Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, you will see how I flip $10,000 to $1 million, how I flip $10 to $10,000. But these same people want to collect $100 for account management. Do you think if they're really flipping $10 to $1,000, they will have time to collect $50 to manage your account? Do you think? But because you are the liquidity, they will project that they can flip money by playing on demo. So they will trade demo. But because they have lied to you that they flip an account of $10 to $10,000, you believe them. You give them your frauded account. You give them your money, your hard-earned money, so that they can trade for you. And what happened? The account is destroyed. The truth. Trading isn't about magic. It is about mindset, risk control, and execution. The faster you stop believing these lies, the sooner you start winning. If one of these lies hit you hard, episode 3 dropping soon, and it is everyone. The number 1 mistake that destroy account. Subscribe so you don't miss it. If you got value from this video, do these 4 things: like, activate all notifications, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.